के लिए झगड़ा भी हो जाता है कि ये हमारा स्पेस है या कुछ ऐसा।
No, students को classroom. See, where I studied in my high school, the same problem. Government. I studied in the government school. The same problem is there. Still, it is there. There is no. Acha, I'm sorry. Still, that there is a midday meal program from 2000. I think 6 onwards. I think the government started midday meal program. जो lunch बच्चों को स्कूल में दिया जाए 10th क्लास तक सारे बच्चों को स्कूल लंच दे विल प्रोवाइड स्कूल लंच एट स्कूल वहां पे कुछ देर इज सम किचन विल बी देयर एंड किचन का साथ साथ डाइनिंग स्पेस आल्सो विल बी देयर बट द टेम्पररली देर इज a multi-purpose hall. That multi-purpose hall they are using for this. Suddenly government started one policy, immediately infrastructure तो नहीं आएगा ना, so that's why they made multi-purpose hall as their डाइनिंग एरिया. ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ एक ही बार 300-400 बच्चे मतलब एक लाइन में बैठ के खा सकते हैं. तो लाइक दैट दे मेड इट. So the existing things they are converting and they are using. Right now, all over the India, all government schools are accessing this midday meal program, except private schools. Okay, so our design is neither for private nor for government. We are designing school. We are designing a school without this midday meal program. We are designing the school. So this is our common sense. We must provide. We are providing toilets. We are providing cafeteria. We are providing urinals, wash basins, everything at the same time. एक जगह में बैठ के खाने के लिए भी एक फॉर्मली स्पेस देना जरूरी है. तो I would like to request to all of you, you think about this one. How much? तो मेरा ओपिनियन बताया. So my opinion, whether it is reasonable or not, if it is reasonable, please add this dining space for students lunch. Dining space for lunch. Okay, in your requirement. Okay. And also, I would like to tell you, since the site is located in Delhi, your playground and your playground, classrooms, and assembly areas are relevant to your Sunpath diagram. So you must thoroughly study. So how to allow the sun during the winter into classroom? How students can enjoy. So this कोई भी CBSE will not ask all these things. CBSE is required some assembly space. CBSE is required some classroom space. Even CBSE is not bothered. This government or bylaws are not bothering about whether the lighting is good or not. They are asking only space. But you and I, by applying our common sense, we have to design spaces such a way, meaningful way, they may exactly suit to the student's requirement. Okay, the classroom. Classroom, it should be accessible to good lighting. As our standards are saying, 200 to 300 lux lighting is required. Whether it is natural, artificial. In case the natural lighting is not fulfilling, means we must provide artificial. So natural lighting will be fulfilled during the winter, during the summer. Winter में कभी-कभी light fail होने का chance होता है. उस time alternately we must provide classroom में we must provide this natural artificial lighting system like bulbs or extra things. At the same time, cross ventilation, allowing particularly from the month of November, October तो छोड़ दो, अक्टूबर 15 से लेकर मार्च 15 तक, और so these days there is a huge amount of cold wind. It will in the atmosphere. You can see the huge amount of cold wind may pass. इस मामले में what kind of light? सब लोग धूप में जाके बैठना चाहते हैं ना, चाहते नहीं चाहते? Everyone want
Yes, sir.
to enjoy the धूप. So see, in your design, is it possible to allow by respecting the climate sun into your classroom by giving better opening? For that, what kind of opening systems you have to give? The window cum ventilator. इसको एक बार सन पाथ डायग्राम का साथ और शैडो डिफरेंट शैडो एनालिसिस का साथ वर्कआउट करेगा तो आपको पास ना आपके पास सॉल्यूशन आ जाएगा. At the same time, so assembly hall. So if you put your assembly area morning 20 minutes half an hour तक होता है ना assembly area. If you put your assembly area open area, that is open area, but in between चारों दीवार के बीच में कोर्टयार्ड में, तो आधा से ज्यादा बच्चे they are under the shadow and 40% students they can enjoy this sunlight. The rest of the people are suffering with cold while in this half an hour or 25 minutes or 20 minutes assembly area. In these conditions, particularly winter time में बता रहा हूँ, what kind of provisions we have to give? How the location and the surroundings of this prayer assembly hall. Assembly में what are the activities in the assembly? News reading होता है ना, ये होता है.
Yes, sir. News reading, prayer.
आकाशवाणी वार्ता श्रूयन्त प्रवाचिका बलदेवानंद सागरः, ऐसा होता है. So there will be news reading. There will be some kind of announcements, the singing, and some kind of celebrations. If particularly on the day Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birthday, so some kind of debate or 5 minutes debate or 2 minutes, some kind of no, संदेश देते principal or vice principal who are there. So pledge, yes, exactly. India is my country. Like that, मैंने भूल गया. Okay, so many things activities will be there. So whatever that may be, students are standing and they are doing all these activities. So उस area कैसा होना है? That also you have to think. Even your playground also. Playground, how it should be accessible to students. स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली प्लेग्राउंड कैसा होना चाहिए? That you have to think. Are all of you writing all these things? I am not telling any cock and bull stories. Please put it on the paper. The issue of classroom, the light and ventilation, sunlight, the issue of this prayer assembly hall, assembly area, open area, issues in playground, location of playground, lunch time, lunch dining space, Please don't listen. Put it on the paper. Whether these things, what are the problems and all these things. So how to solve? Okay, my dear. And circulation areas. What should be the corridor width? So the crowd, 800 or 1000 students, a huge amount of crowd. Students को हम नहीं रोक सकते. Students, you must walk. Only 1% जाना है, 1% आना है. 1% जाने के लिए, 1% आने के लिए will give only 1.2 meter. Like that, no. They are students. They are free birds. So they want to. Sometimes they want to go together. एक हाथ दूसरा के रख के. They want to go together. ऐसा होता है? होता नहीं होता है? Students, they may walk. Let them walk freely. Let them enjoy the premises. That is their school, their friends. So students, how freely they can walk in the corridor. It means don't provide them 5 meter width corridor, 2.4 4 meter wide corridor. How meaningfully your corridor design. And also barrier free built environment in school. Amit, hey Amit,
Yes, sir.
what is barrier free built environment? What is barrier free built environment?
Sir, there is
Tell
no
me.
barrier in between students and schools.
Students and
Buildings.
so what are the barriers? So some students suddenly बीमार हो गया. They can't come to college. Okay. Suddenly they met an accident. Few days they have taken rest. So after that, with little bit recovery, they may come to school. So while they are walk, leg injury हो सकता है और कुछ जो भी है. So they are unable to walk. But if at all you do not provide lifts or ramps, so how they will come to classrooms? Your classroom is on the second floor or first floor. It's not the ground floor. So how they will come to schools? So you must provide ramps or any. They can't climb the stairs. Even some students are suffering this disability, physically challenged students will be there. So what about their how your classroom is in the fourth floor? How they will come to the fourth floor? Okay, for that what kind of provisions we have to give? ये सारे हम सोचना जरूरी है. Location of library. Library should be accessible to all students. Look, okay, library. Where we have to locate the library? Where we have to locate the labs? Maybe physics labs or biology labs, chemistry lab. It may be computer lab. Where we have to locate the library? So is it accessible to all students? So where we should locate the faculty rooms? Okay. So ये सारे you must think all these things. And also one more important thing, services. Water supply, sewerage, electricity, electrical. Okay. So all these services, how to align the services to the building premises. Fire and since it is educational institution, some kind of cables, communication networks, electricity, water supply, sewerage. इसके लिए how the classroom building, so how to design our building, and also signage in the campus. Okay, signage in the campus. Idle bus parking के बारे में सोचना है. तो most of the time idle bus parking नहीं हो, जगह नहीं होता है. Students pick up and drop. College premises में where the college buses are required to pick up and where we have to drop. Morning where they have to drop and where they have to pick up. Your formal platform formal system is there or not? अगर नहीं तो हम हमारा डिजाइन में प्रूव करना है एक फॉर्मल वे में. Then I go on. Okay. So please ask me if at all you have any question. Please ask me. So as per government norms and standards, every school should be accessible to differently able people. Okay. So what kind of provisions we are required to give? Toilets. So how many toilets we have to provide for physically challenged people? What should be the width of the corridor? What should be the width of the door? If students are, if suddenly some certain students are coming by wheelchair, so what should be the lift? Width of the door. See, my dear, all these things you must think and you must implement in your design. Senior secondary school करना इतना आसान नहीं है. Unless until it is also by a kind of bundle of design, bunch of design standards, bunch of standards, and students in formal sitting areas, some kind of lawns. Okay. Anything you want to ask me? किसी ने कुछ काम शुरू किया? नहीं है?
Sir? Sir?
हाँ प्लीज.
सर आपने जो साइट जोनिंग कल बताया था और सर जो फ्लो चार्ट साइट लेवल पे, सर उन दोनों में एक बार डिफरेंस बता दीजिए सर.
साइट जोनिंग एंड फ्लो चार्ट.
यस सर. और सर हाँ यस सर. सर साइट लेवल पे फ्लो चार्ट में क्या डिफरेंस होगा और साइट जोनिंग में क्या डिफरेंस?
फ्लो चार्ट में we are not bothering about site. साइट जो भी साइट हो. ओके. वी आर नॉट, हम मान के चले हमको साइट के बारे में पता नहीं है. फ्लो चार्ट You know the institution, particular institute or school organization. So you know the activities about particular school. So according to the activities, what are the spaces are required? Already you know. Yesterday मैंने list भी दिया. Administration areas, academic academic areas. In the academic curricular activities and non-curricular activities. Curricular activities means their subjects, their class, their what do you call syllabus, respective labs, libraries, books. Extracurricular activities means dance, music, sports. So these are all the spaces. Extracurricular activities also require space, and curricular activities also require space. Administration is also required. Administration is also required. So, but and इस सारे को सपोर्ट करने के लिए प्लेग्राउंड इज रिक्वायर्ड, असेंबली एरिया इज रिक्वायर्ड. Okay, cafeteria is required. Some water pumping system is required. एक alternate generator is required. Generator room is required. Generator room is required or not? Power supply नहीं है तो. Some maintenance office is required. Security with the entrance gates are required. तो all these requirements site level में हमको मोटा-मोटा वो दिख रहा है. उसका बीच में how people can use all these things. People how they will respond to the ये सारे responsibilities you kept in front of people, how they will utilize. So how they will utilize that the flow diagram you are required. How they are using, how they are. So people are coming, the people may, faculties are, teachers are coming, non-teaching staff is coming, students are coming. सफाई कर्मचारी भी आ रहा है, वो non-teaching में आ जाए. So from the main gate they are entering, how they are going to their respective spot. Students how they are going to their classrooms. Teachers including principal how they are going to their respective places. तो ये सारे कनेक्टिविटी का साथ एक चार्ट बनाना जरूरी है नहीं जरूरी है?
Yes sir.
साइट लेवल में मेरे बहुत सारी लिस्ट दी yesterday, उस सारे का बीच में, and इसमें you apply your common sense and you go through the certain link इसका रिलेशन क्या है? Students from the main gate how they will go to their respective classrooms. Students every day they need not to go to administration. Every day they need not to go to any kind of what do you call either playground. Every day they need not to go. So students after entering into the gate they have their own student entry. Through the student entry they can go to the lab or lobby or whatever they like. Teachers how they will go to their respective faculty staff room, and non-teaching people how they will go to their respective place. So in the midst of all these things, एक फ्लो डायग्राम साइट लेवल में मोटा मोटा एरियाज का बीच में रिलेशन कैसा होता है, इस फ्लो डायग्राम, ए बबल डायग्राम विद एरोस you can put. Don't worry about site area, don't worry about this FAR, all these things. हम डिजाइन नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम समझ रहे हैं कि how the spaces are interrelevant. हम लिविंग हॉल में, डाइनिंग हॉल में, डाइनिंग आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ डाइनिंग वी वांट टू वॉश आवर. So after completion of in our home, kitchen is there, dining is there, living is there. So where should I provide wash basin? Shall I provide in living room? अगर wash basin का जरूरत है नहीं है, after eating food, suppose आपने कुछ चिकन बिरयानी खाया, चिकन बिरयानी का फ्लेवर हमारा हाथ में भी आ रहा है, हाँ? तो हम सोने के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं, फिर और एक चिकन बिरयानी खाने के लिए मन लग रहा है, हाथ का स्मेल आ रहा है, उसको धोना है. आफ्टर ईटिंग फूड वॉशिंग हैंड्स इट इज गुड. तो वेयर शुड आई प्रोवाइड? शैल आई गो टू द चिकन किचन सिंक? नो. So there is a provision of wash basin. So shall I put this wash basin in the living room? No, no. Where it is required, there we have. Okay, like that. इस site level में spaces का bit in between the playground. For example, playground. Where should I locate the playground? No, shall I locate the playground? The building, in front of the building there is a huge amount of playground. After that gate, road. So students every day they have to cross the playground and they have to go to their all the way they have to walk through the playground and they have to go to their school building. How much it is acceptable? Is it acceptable? Some students are coming by bus, college, school bus. There is a pickup and dropping point. The pickup and dropping point is not near to the school. It is somewhere in the corner. Okay, वहाँ पे हमने ऐसा provision दिया. How the people will get interested about your space? So to make little bit comfort to this students, so where you have to locate your bus pickup and bus entry. ठीक है, ये सारे हम सोचना जरूरी है.
तो सर जोनिंग में हम लोगों के कहाँ से
दिस इज साइट लेवल फ्लो चार्ट. साइट हम साइट के बारे में, साइट लेवल फ्लो चार्ट मीन्स डोंट बॉदर अबाउट साइट. साइट जितना भी एरिया होगा, जहां भी होगा. बिल्डिंग लेवल फ्लो चार्ट मीन्स बिल्डिंग इनसाइड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. सपोज इफ यू टेक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एरियाज में कौन कौन बैठेगा, प्रिंसिपल, वाइस प्रिंसिपल, अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट, मेंटेनेंस ऑफिस, इसका संबंधित रेलेवेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम और मीटिंग रूम, इसका संबंधित combination of these spaces and the relation between the spaces. Likewise, administration areas, academic areas, curricular activities, non-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, curricular classrooms, labs, library, staff room. So in between what is the relation? ये सारे आपको समझना जरूरी है बेटे. ठीक है. So unless until you do not do these flow charts and you work out with the flow charts, your design will not get proper design. You will not recognize the proper design. And zoning का बारे में मैं अभी बताता हूँ. 2 minutes टाइम दीजिए. जस्ट मैं आपको जोनिंग के बारे में. जोनिंग is a matter of sight. Zoning is a matter of sight. If two diabetic patients will approach the doctor to control their diabetes, दोनों को एक ही दवा नहीं देगा. If two diabetic patients are going to the doctor and doctor will say and doctor will check and एक को diabetic starting stage में है, एक को ज्यादा है. The first one is getting 140 by 200 and second one is getting 200 by 200. दोनों को एक ही दवाई चल जाएगा. हाँ, डॉक्टर तो सेम है, डायबिटिक डॉक्टर है, एंडोक्राइनोलॉजिस्ट है, बीमारी भी सेम बीमारी है, डॉक्टर भी सेम है, बीमारी भी सेम है, दवा सेम नहीं होगा. स्टार्टिंग स्टेज वाला को दवा कम होता है and the personality is suffering with severe way diabetes, उनको भी दवा अलग होता है. ये भी ऐसा है. ठीक है, एक मिनट. Now we will discuss about zoning. Zoning is the initial stage of your concept or planning. It's a kind of initial stage. So why after completion of site analysis we are asking zoning?
Sir, to locate the spaces required to make it an efficient building.
See, through the see, our concept is our understanding is not concept. Site analysis आपने site के बारे में thoroughly you studied. Site through the site analysis you got the knowledge of the site from A to Z. Site boundaries, site surroundings, site climate, site soil condition, site water depth levels, site vegetation, everything. हम अगर आपका पास है नहीं है तो generally site analysis, the students did site analysis means his mind is loaded with all this data. Am I correct or not? At the same time, we will introduce the design brief. So I, the student, filled my mind with site analysis knowledge, and मेरा सामने these are all the requirements. These are all the requirements, and in these requirements, I can make it as a group. इसको एक group, no. There are detailed requirement may be there. I have to make it as a group. So just now I discussed, no. So if it is your school is from first standard to 12th standard, so you have to make it as a pre-primary, primary group, upper primary group, and senior secondary group. So you have to make your building into either 3 blocks or single block. So site condition, student situation. Site condition, student situation. So whether the site condition is it suitable to student situation? So where I have to locate my senior secondary school, where I have to locate my pre-primary school, so where I have to locate my upper primary section, pre-primary section, senior secondary section, and where I have to locate my administration areas, where I have to locate my bus. So by consulting the site condition, so where shall I give my bus entries and bus exits, pickup points and drop points of students, entry for staff, entry for, so how can I give? See, by seeing the how the site conditions are favorable, अगर कुछ difficult है तो उसको हम कैसे favorable कर सकते हैं? It's a kind of initial thoughts, no, by dealing your requirement with site. साइट को पकड़ के your requirements को उसके ऊपर impose कर रहा है, ठीक है? So the condition, suppose your site is required such a assembly area. Your school is required assembly area, no? Already there is a existing big banyan tree is there. A big banyan tree is there, aged tree is there. So will you not utilize that opportunity? So you can nicely, you may have this banyan tree, so I can make some kind of platform around the banyan tree, and so on the shadow or surrounding the banyan tree, so I can arrange students assembly area. Generally, as assembly, sometimes in summer, these assembly areas are required certain canopies. धूप जनरली मॉर्निंग टाइम में आपको होता है. In Delhi, most of the school timings are in morning, 7 o'clock, 6:25. Even Manshi is telling she was going to school at 6:25. And Prakriti is saying 7 to 8. But comparatively, all of you, I am much privileged. My school timings are 9 to 3. Maybe कभी-कभी हम 4 o'clock तक 5 o'clock तक होता है कुछ एक्टिविटीज है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ड्रिल और फिजिकल एजुकेशन क्लास है तो होता है 9:30 to 9 to 3:30. I studied in the government school. There is no shift section. एक ही एक शिफ्ट है. 9 o'clock को जाना है, but 3:30 को so we were eagerly waiting for school bell. When the bell will ring, then pass it back. Okay. And there is morning interval. There was a morning interval and afternoon lunch timing and evening interval also there. See how freshly, because some few sessions and some kind of relief, and again few sessions and lunch, and again few sessions and some kind of relief, means interval, and again few sessions. After that, tata bye bye. But that much privilege is not for you, particularly students who are studying in urban areas. Because urban areas में morning classes करना मजबूरी है. क्यों? Traffic problem, density problem. School areas are less. School को demand ज़्यादा है, इसलिए shifts, morning shift, evening shift. But surely I will tell you, this is not the atmosphere a student is required. Ask your fathers and forefathers and your elders, grandfathers. They never gone this kind of system. Because even if I'm not blaming you, I'm telling about the condition. Even I want to send my student tomorrow, after completion of this corona, all these things, I have to send my children early morning in the school, like you. Because if I want to stay in Delhi, the situation is like. I'm talking about first class onwards. Maximum they can spend 6 hours, and they should spend 6 hours. Not only books, don't think education is only opening the books and reading and writing somewhere always, shouting from the school teacher. No. So these 6 hours students must involve into different activities. That's why our Honorable Prime Minister brought new education policy. I appreciate this present government. Really, the new education policy and the systems, education systems which they mentioned are really good, isn't it? And students should have a choice about their studies. बच्चे बचपन से बेटा आप इंजीनियर बनना है, बेटा अब इंजीनियर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है. Parents are forcing, you must become doctor, you must become doctor. ये बन रहा है actor. Okay, but my parents did not tell anything. If students are not, if even children are not doing homework, parents are worrying. And if students are not getting proper rank in the class, school, student parents are worrying, student is not worrying, ये तो फिर करता रहे. See, the pressure, the huge amount of pressure is coming over the students. I don't know about your condition, but I have seen the practical. In between the recent online system, online teaching, तो ऑनलाइन में आपको now your strength is 33, 36 स्टूडेंट्स को 20 स्टूडेंट्स को इस क्लास में लाने के लिए कितना मुश्किल हो रहा है. तो स्कूल चिल्ड्रन forcefully they are sick, no, for attendance purpose they are sitting in front of systems or mobiles or laptops, they are listening, but how much they are listening. See, even yes, I am telling the truth, I am 100% I am not satisfied with this 100, even 100% may 1% satisfaction is also not there to teach you like this online mode. Whether you will know feel bad or not, why Rao sir is telling like that. Yes, I don't like this online system. आपको करना मजबूरी है, इट्स मैंडेटरी. और मार्ग और ऐसा कुछ कोई, there is no other way. What should we do? Particularly the two subjects like architecture, which is relevant to bundle of drawings, bundle of sketches. Stop. कर ले जाओगे क्या? See students, very indication, bad indication. That's why I would like to request you, whatever the things you understood in this online method, you please, you have to work more. You have to work more, or else you can't get anything. We hope soon we'll see the vaccine may come to India and may be distributed soon to students, and you may come to college. So every day I used to pray, students must come to the college first. College environment is quite, is different. तो सब लोग चाह रहे हैं क्या कॉलेज में आने के लिए? How many of you interested in this online? तो सर मेरे को 5th ईयर तक, ऑफ कोर्स 5th ईयर ट्रेनिंग होता है, 4th ईयर तक इसी ऑनलाइन क्लास चाहिए. ऑनलाइन में पढ़ाओ सर. Can anyone say? Please tell me who are. No, but all of you are eagerly waiting to come to college. Am I correct or not? Achha, Paki don't want to come to college. Okay? ऋतुराज को हॉस्टल में आना है. माजिद बेटे तेरे को ऑनलाइन में शादी करेंगे, ठीक है? ऑनलाइन में पढ़ाई करवा देंगे, आपको शादी भी ऑनलाइन में करवा देंगे. माजिद is only one student is saying online is सही है सर. कॉलेज अगर कॉलेज ओपन हो जाएगा तो कपलाड़ में कमरा लेना पड़ता है, फिर कमरा को किराया देना पड़ता है. Okay, this online is not at all. Also, Paki also supporting online classes.
सर मेरे केस में तो सर ठीक है ना, मेरा तो ट्रैवलिंग में ही 5-5 घंटे निकल जाते हैं सर, उसके बाद काम करने का एनर्जी भी नहीं रहता है.
हॉस्टल ले लो
सर. क्यों? मेरा घर यहीं पर है.
घर तो यहीं पर है, पर आने में जाने में क्या दिक्कत है? हाँ?
सर तो ट्रैवलिंग ज्यादा होती है ना सर, 5-6 घंटे निकल जाते हैं उसमें।
Lovely is staying in the hostel. Mansi is staying in the hostel. You also can stay in the hostel.
सर अब हॉस्टल छोड़ने का टाइम आ रहा है।
See the students. So I request to all of you. I'll give ample of time for you to design this senior secondary school, a holistic design. Your design must fulfill the utmost need of the student who is studying there. Okay? Please, site analysis, zoning. As I told you, the zoning, how you are interpreting the requirements into the site conditions. Site conditions का साथ आपका requirements कैसा जोड़ रहा है? Okay. If the site is, for example, as I told you, if site is having some kind of aged tree with big canopy in shade covered, so how will you cut the tree? Overnight जाके उसको काट के फिर उसको shall I send it to the firewood? No. You don't have right. Even though if you have right, you don't kill the tree and make the tree as a part of your design. Okay. Even parking area is also important, one of the important things. So students generally won't have any license to drive these motor vehicles, but bicycle parking तो देना जरूरी है ना students के लिए. So teaching and non-teaching, they will have their own parking. When parents will come, they will have visitor parking facilities, bus parking, idle bus parking, bus pickup points. All these things will be there. At the same time, respect the students. Students, we have to encourage students. They may come by bicycle parking. In South India, such few states, they are giving bicycle to state government itself, purchasing the bicycle and giving to the students. जीवदेश है क्लास में?
Yes, sir.
हमारा क्लास में दिया. जीवदेश आपको कुछ बाइसाइकिल मिल गया क्या?
Sir?
10th में? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
तेरा पास घोड़ा है ना? बाइसाइकिल का जरूरत नहीं है. तेरे पास बड़ा घोड़ा है. You are not required any bicycle.
No, sir.
So in Andhra Pradesh,
No,
so certain few students in government school, you studied in the private school, I think.
Yes, sir.
Government schools, the government gave bicycle to girl students and boy students. So मेरा time में नहीं है. And even Tamil Nadu, Kerala also, I don't know Danya got or not. So you give bicycle parking for students. And if you do not give, where they will park? They will park in front of principal office. They will park in front of any other, road में park करेगा, in interior roads में. Okay? तो classroom के सामने park करेगा. So all these things you must. So your design. See, every one of you take it as a challenge. So that's why in your housing, group housing portfolio and this senior secondary school portfolio. So these two portfolios should decide your location of your training. Everyone should get best training opportunity, but for that third year onwards, whatever the design you will do, third year, fourth year designs, in your thesis, including your thesis, all these things, these are all things going to affect your training location. Best offices, best design will leads you to get best opportunities and training. Okay, my dear. Good drafting skills. तो सब लोग करेगा नहीं करेगा? करना है ना? थिंक डिफरेंटली, डू द हार्ड वर्क. Okay, so all the things I did not mention in that brief, design brief, but you yourself, so it is need. Dining is a need, but bicycle parking is a minimum need. किसी नॉर्म्स में नहीं होता है, बट हम हमारा कॉमन सेंस अप्लाई करना है. प्रेयर, लोकेशन ऑफ प्रेयर area by accessing to the sunlight, more and more sunlight, it is need. During the in winter, how they will survive? समर में तो कुछ बच्चों को विंटर में भी हॉलीडेज होता है, समर में भी होता है. At the same time, throughout the winter they will not you will not get holidays. Only the deep winter, maybe 10 or 15 days you will get holidays ना winter के लिए. कोई है ना? मानसी? Generally
Yes, sir,
winter. Okay. So you please think differently and do the hard work and prove yourself that your design is a holistic design and fulfilling the maximum requirements of students. Students are the beneficiaries. They are ultimately there. We are not asking any hostel details. Understand the connection between the spaces and you do. So zoning ka, Manshi, now you are clear about zoning?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Flow charts at site level?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. Anything you want to ask me? So my laptop is going to be disconnected by another, only 20% it is there. My charger is also not working. Yeah, anything anyone want to discuss? बाकी
नो सर.
कितना काम किया अभी तक? साइट एनालिसिस किया?
सर
हाँ
मुझे काम दिखाना है सर, डिस्कस करना था.
ओके. माजिद करा गया, अर्शिद करा गया. Okay, I'll see. Don't worry. Anyone want to ask anything? Majid and Harshit, both of you want to show your work, and yesterday onwards you people are asking. So
सर
I'll connect you at 3:30 with the same link because some kind of problem is there in my charging pin, so I have to shut down the laptop. Okay, 3:30 go. Majid and Harshit, both of you, Harshit want to give his urban design presentation and Majid want to show his housing design. So
Sir, Akash also.
आकाश किस चीज की?
सर हाउसिंग का भी सर काम दिखाना है सर. वो EWS LIG का प्लान दिखाना बच रहा था सर आपको, और अर्बन डिजाइन की सर प्रेजेंटेशन देनी सर. मैं उस टाइम एब्सेंट था.
तो मुझे देनी है डिजाइन की.
अच्छा, प्रकृति का भी. तो आज तो 4 o'clock तक माजिद को और हर्षित को दोनों का तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. बाकी तो आपको I can see on Monday because tomorrow is holiday. So all of you happy Christmas.
You too, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please, if possible, Saturday also I'm not coming to college. Then what shall I do? This entire week is busy. Akash, shall I see on Monday?
ओके सर, नो प्रॉब्लम सर.
Monday आप तो इसका स्कूल का बारे में काम करो.
हाँ सर
ठीक है, मैं आपको
सर कर रहा हूँ सर उस पे भी।
check on Monday and your presentation, your final yesterday as I told you, housing final internal review would be on
28.
uh,
No, nothing sir, nothing.
12th December. That's 12th January.
Yes sir.
ओके, 12th जनवरी ट्यूसडे आ गया, हम उसको 2 दिन लेंगे, नहीं तो 1 दिन उसमें मैं चेक करता हूँ जो फैकल्टी बाहर से आ रहे हैं उनके साथ। बाय द टाइम एवरीवन एक्सेप्ट मॉडल सबका सभी का साथ सारे जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स है स्टेज 1 स्टेज 2 रिक्वायरमेंट सारे फुलफिल होना है। ओके, and after that I will not check and I will not see this housing. Before that, every day you want to check because of Christmas and day after tomorrow and tomorrow, I will not be available. Even Sunday also and Monday also. Monday onwards, bilkul I am free. Every day you want to check with me afternoon, I am ready. Afternoon मेरे को ऐसे कुछ कोई important class नहीं है except design. और construction BCM first year का और second year का है, वो that Dilip sir and Anu ma'am they will take care. But I can spend ample of time with you and please utilize and thoroughly put your thoughts in your design, your drafting, your all these things, everything must be good. 12th को हम एक रिव्यू रखेंगे, द प्लीज द फाइनल इंटरनल रिव्यू ऑफ हाउसिंग का, एंड सभी those students who will not attend the review, so they have to sit with their juniors. 12th को जो स्टूडेंट्स का पास काम नहीं है at the same time they will not come for review, they are required to sit with their juniors. इसका मतलब क्या है आप समझो, ठीक है? तो आकाश, I will check on Monday.
Yeah, okay sir.
Okay. Now Majid, I'll let my laptop require some kind of this charging. So I'll connect with the same link by 3:30. Those who want to join also, you can join. No issue. Okay. Thank you. Majid and Harshit, be ready by 3:30.
Okay sir.
Okay. Right.